Hi, it's Carlo Maietto back again with Nettie's Pantry. I just want to touch on a little something about myself. I've had over 60 years in the food business, working for people as well as having my own restaurants, and I had a large wholesale bakery for 8 to 10 years. It was very successful. So I'm having some fun with this new YouTube and my website, netties'spantry.com. I'm retired. I'm 78 years old, so I'm having a good time. I wanted to talk about downsizing. In Washington State, I had a large 2,500 square foot house, 2-story, lots of stairs, and I decided to downsize. So we bought a mobile home, and it was a used mobile home. I paid $30,000 for it. I put 20 in it, new floors, new walls, new heat pump, new furnace, and the place looks really good. And it's cost me about $60,000 total, and I pay $400 a month rental for the space in a 55 or over park. So I recommend people my age take a look at that option before you buy a new house or remodel at a great expense your current home. And we have a 2,100 square foot mobile, so it's quite spacious. The kitchen's a little small. I'm planning on doing a couple of videos from the kitchen to show how to work your kitchen and put out gourmet meals in a small kitchen. The newer mobiles that are up there around $100,000 are quite nice, the kitchens and so forth. So that would be a good upgrade as well. And even the ones like mine, which I remodeled, they're going for $80,000-$90,000, which is surprising because it's a pretty old unit and it's in good shape. But the newer ones are really outrageous, and some of them as high as $200,000. And we have a nice community here in Oregon, very quiet and very safe, and it's quite a good change. So I've lived around. I've lived in Nicaragua for several months on 2 different occasions. I've checked out Ecuador. I was looking at moving out of the country, and I put that down as an option. I've also lived in Japan for an extended stay, which I love Japan. I love the other countries also, Nicaragua, Ecuador, but not for me. I'll stay in the United States, where at least I can speak the language fluently, somewhat. Anyway, so we're going to be doing some cooking videos and probably post them on both our website and our YouTube channel here. So I'm working on it, and I'm getting pretty good at it, and I'm going to keep at it and have some fun with it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.